Hi everybody, my name is Laura Moribe and welcome to my living room where I've gathered a couple of items from my kitchen. Today I am here to celebrate World Environment Day and help spark ideas on how you can be sustainable in your own home. One of my favorite and easiest sustainability practices encompasses reducing my waste footprint, repurposing, and prolonging the life of regularly used items in your own home. So with that said, every morning I wake up and I have some of this wee French style yogurt. I love it, it's really good. And typically when I'm done, I go ahead and I wash the container to save for repurposing later on. I also love to pair my yogurt with scrambled eggs, and I love to add some yummy green onions for a good taste. So as you can see, I've already chopped up my green onions, and in today's example, I want to show you one of my favorite activities that I've been doing, especially during quarantine, and that has been to propagate my own vegetables and also some houseplants. So green onions are the best and easiest to propagate because they grow just the next morning. So typically what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll chop my green onion to about here where the light green part meets the white part. I'll use my wee yogurt container and I'll add them in there. And then you wanna typically have some more, but for this example, I only use 2. And you wanna go ahead and add water very close to the top. And when you have more, they'll probably stand up better. And then what you do is you go ahead and you place this container on your windowsill where it gets a lot of good sunlight. And within the next morning and a couple of days, you'll already have your green onions growing back so that you can use it in your breakfast. So that is my favorite and easy sustainable practice that I do at home. And now I challenge you, Nashville, to show us your favorite sustainability practices and upload your video.